Hi you guys, it's day 22 of Vlogmas. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be making some origami boxes. So these are made out of paper, but you can use them to put like little bits in to wrap up for Christmas. So whether you've got some jewellery or some beads or something else that's quite small that you want to make look a little bit bigger and not get lost in the piece of paper you're going to be wrapping up in, then these origami box is a great thing for presents. So if you haven't seen some of the other origami videos, have a look back and you'll see how to make this little Christmas tree. So this was a really fun one to make, super easy, and it's only using one sheet of paper. So have a look at that one. I will link it in the description below for you so you guys can have a look there. But let's get started and show you how to make this origami box. So I've got my piece of paper here, so we're going to use some pink paper today. So what we need is we need to actually make it into a square. So the way I'm going to do this is just by bringing that top corner down to the bottom there and put it into a square. This section here we're not going to need, so I'll just fold that over and then we can take that piece off. There we go, so that piece there isn't needed. And so now we have a square piece of paper. So we've already folded it one way, we're now going to fold it the other way. Okay, lovely job. And then we're going to fold it the other side, and we're going to fold it this way. And the other way. Super duper. And then we're going to turn it back over to where we started. So, now that we've got this diagonal bit here ready, what we're going to do is we're going to fold each of the corners into the central point. Lovely job, so we've got all that there. Yeah, so we're going to open up two sides there, and then we're going to fold this into the middle here. Same at the top. Okay, open that back up again. We're now going to do this the other way, so open those side and close the other side. I'm going to do that again. So while we've got these bits folded in, we're just going to lift those up slightly. You can see where these bits start to go in. We're going to hold those in. And it's going to form this section here. We're going to fold that over. It's a little bit fiddly. And we've got a side already done. We're going to do the same the other side as well. So pushing those in, bringing that over. There we are. And there is our little box. So if you're wanting to make a lid for one of these, then you would make a piece of paper just slightly bigger, and then that would just fit straight over the top. So that would just fit straight over the top there of that one. And that's how you make an origami box. So I hope you guys have enjoyed making the origami box today. So it looks fab. If you're wanting to make it a little bit more sturdy, then what you could do is you can use card, or you could even use old Christmas cards as well. That works quite well. And it's got a design on it, or old greeting cards. They're brilliant as long as you can get it into a square, and then you can do the origami from there. It doesn't matter what size you do them, it's the same sequence of different folds that will then form this little box. So I hope you've enjoyed. And if you haven't checked out already the Christmas tree, Origami Christmas tree, then check that one out. I will leave it in the description below for you. If you've liked the video, give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe below. We are almost at our target for the end of the year, which is amazing. So I'm so looking forward to that. So thank you guys for all watching this year. It's been amazing. And I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.